how to cast Android screen phone in your laptop or PC screen, right? So how you can just mirror your phone screen over your laptop or PC. I will show you in just few steps and you can just learn it in just few minutes. First of all, you have to go to the settings. It doesn't matter it's a Windows 11, 10 or 8, right? You can just follow this instruction is exactly same. You have to go to the setting and here you have to write projection, right? So here you have to just write here projection and you will get this option of projection settings. Once you click on here, maybe you will find a lot of option, but if you don't, then just go to the optional features. Once you go to the optional features, here you will get option to add optional features. Click on view features and here you have to find wireless, so you can just search it. If you don't get an option to search, you can just scroll and you will get it. Click on tick and click on next, and basically you have to install this. It will get installed in just few seconds, and once it get installed, it is very easy to do it. And you have to make sure you have an Android phone, and just go to your Android phone. You can just screencast or whatever, the depend on the Android brand, right? So every Android brand company have a different way of mirror featuring, so you can just watch our other tutorials to know about it. But for the laptop or PC, you can just follow this instruction. It is 100% true. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.